A lot of people start their businesses using their personal Gmail or their cell phone or their home address because it's easy. But then next thing you know, it's a random website builder and a dozen different providers and suppliers, and eventually you got to remember all those different passwords. That's exhausting because when you're building something real, your setup should support you. And eventually, maybe even right now, you're not just testing an idea anymore. You're sending invoices, talking to customers, trying to look legit and professional. Also trying to keep your personal life personal. That's why a real foundation matters. That's why we built Identity Services. Every business starts somewhere, usually like this. And then, piece by piece, you start building things that make your business feel real. A way to get in touch, a website, an email. One day you're kicking an idea around. Next thing you know, somebody asks, "What's your website?" And you got nothing. Or you're sending messages from an email address you made like 15 years ago, which doesn't exactly scream professional. Because if you're building something real, people should be able to tell and trust what they see. That's why every Northwest customer gets a free domain, a customizable open source website, and a professional business email.
Wait, what? So you're saying people get a website, domain, email for free? What's the catch?
None. No catch.
Come on, for real.
Seriously, Northwest is an independent company. We built it ourselves. We don't have shareholders expecting a return every quarter, so the website, the email, the domain, it's all ours. We built it. We operate it.
Okay, but why give services away?
Because starting a business is hard enough already. Most people don't want another bill or another subscription, and all those other companies are just trying to upsell everyone. We want to build a foundation from day one, and then as other people grow their business, we get to grow with them.
So you're betting on their success?
Exactly.
Oh, that's actually kind of refreshing.
Right? And it gets even better. You get a business phone line, which means customers can call your business without calling your personal number, which is kind of a big deal. Because if you're putting time and energy into building something, it's nice knowing somebody's helping you protect it. The last thing you want is somebody else showing up and acting like it was their idea. Northwest constantly monitors domains, business identities, and any trademarks to make sure what is yours stays that way. It's all the stuff nobody tells you about when you're getting started. And that's really the point. This isn't really about the domain, or the website, or the email, or the phone number. Those are just tools. What you're really building is something people can find, something people can trust, and something that's separate from your personal life. That's why we built Free Identity Services, not as a trial or a promotion, but as a better way to get started. So wherever you are right now, you have a place to begin. Northwest Registered Agent.